Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Happy Thursday. I hope that everybody is having a great day. I hope everybody has had a good day. If your day is done and you sitting at home chilling, I hope that your day was wonderful. Y'all see it as promised. I told y'all I was going to drink this Sprite, y'all, and I got this Sprite here for y'all. Y'all already know that y'all voted for the Mountain Dew, but this right here was in the running. Okay? And y'all know that it was a tie. Keep that in mind. All right, so your girl is about to drink this. I'm not going to waste no time. I'm reading it to see what it says. It is just a Sprite Chill Cherry Lime Soda. Y'all, it was raining cats and dogs today, okay? I don't know if it was just my area or was it raining in y'all area too. But it was raining cats and dogs, and it was very windy, like it was going to storm, but it didn't storm, y'all. Did y'all hear it? Kind of weak. Y'all hope that this is good. If y'all had it, ooh, it's hard to open up. If y'all had it, comment down below and let your girl know how it was, okay? I've never had it before, but I'm gonna try it today with y'all. It seems like it has a little pink tint to it, but it's not coming up on camera. Is this clear or is it like a little pink tint? It might be clear, y'all. I think that it might be coming up like that because I got my flowers over here in the background. I think it's just picking that up. It does smell like cherry. And I can smell the lime. Y'all hope that this tastes like a, what is it called? A Shirley Temple. Because y'all know your girl loves Shirley Temples, okay? Cheers. Let's get into it. Okay. Ooh, hold on, my y'all. Ooh, this Sprite is strong. Hold on, wait, y'all. Give me a second. Cause I don't even want to say what I'm tasting right now. I'm gonna taste it again, and then I'm gonna let y'all know. Give me a second. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Y'all, I don't think I like this. I'm gonna try it again. But let me try it again. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, I don't really taste no cherry. I'm tasting a lot of lime. I don't taste no cherry, y'all. Y'all, my baby is eating dinner in the background, so if y'all hear like an ASMR, that's my baby, y'all, to the background, okay? He is eating dinner. Y'all, I don't like this. I don't. Excuse me. I don't like this, y'all. I really don't. And this right here is weird coming from me because I don't like cherry. But I wish that I could taste the cherry, but I can't, y'all. I don't know. For some reason, I'm not getting no cherry. I'm really getting a bunch of lime. It just tastes like a Sprite soda with extra lime to me. Oh, excuse me. Move this, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I tell you what, it does make you burp though, but it's a Sprite. Like, that's given. Like, you're going to burp from a Sprite. You get what I'm saying? But y'all, I don't like this. Like, I don't know. Nope. It's too much lime. Let me tell y'all. It's too much lime. Because it's already a lemon lime soda. You get what I'm saying? And it's just too much lime for me. Like, I'm not tasting that cherry. I wish I had grenadine. If I had some grenadine, y'all, I would pour some grenadine in here. Like, I need that cherry taste, and I'm not getting it. It's definitely all the lime is masking it. Like, you don't taste it at all. I feel like they just had better chance of just, you know what they need to do? A Shirley Temple Sprite. We need it. We need it. Coke, y'all need to get on that. A Shirley Temple Sprite is going to eat them. Stop playing around with all these extra, like, little cherry Sprites and cherry limes. Stop playing around with it. Just go ahead and give us what y'all trying to give us. Just give us a Shirley Temple Sprite. I would appreciate it, and I would love it. Because why? This is my favorite soda. My favorite soda. When I go out, y'all, to eat, I always get me a Shirley Temple. It is a must. It has to happen. Shirley Temple every time. Extra grenadine, please. Okay? Y'all, this right here is definitely not a, it's a never again for me. I'm trying to get that cherry taste. But it's nowhere to be found. Excuse me. It is nowhere to be found at all, y'all. There is zero cherry in here. It says cherry lime, but I promise y'all, it ain't no cherry up in here. This is literally just a Sprite with extra lime. But if y'all have had it, y'all let y'all girl know in the comments. Comment down below and let me know, like, do y'all taste the cherry when y'all drink it? Because I don't. And I mean, not at all. Not even a hint of cherry. Like, I'm trying to taste my palate. Like, it's nothing on my taste buds. I promise you. Nope. I'm not getting cherry. Not at all. But it is strong. I feel like if you like Sprite with lime, you will enjoy this. I normally put a little bit of lemon, like squeeze a little bit of lemon into my Sprite. I love it like that. Or like cut a lemon wedge and squeeze it and then, you know, push it out inside the bottle. Delicious. But outside of that, y'all, I want the cherry so bad because I was like, ooh, I want me a Shirley Temple. Like, I was so pressed to drink this because I had a taste for a Shirley Temple. But y'all, it ain't giving that. But it is strong. Ooh. Woo. Oh my gosh, it's so strong, y'all. I did see what somebody commented and asked me to do the Coke challenge. Like, try to drink a Coke and not burp. So y'all, I am going to bring y'all that challenge. I might try to bring that to y'all tomorrow. We'll see, y'all. If not, y'all, I do still have to put out a vote, y'all, but it was the lowest votes ever. I put it out already. I almost dropped my soda, y'all. I put it out already, but it was the lowest votes ever for the Mr. Pibb. I think it's Mr. Pibb. Yeah, Mr. Pibb and the Yellow Mellow. Y'all, those had the lowest votes. Y'all really voted for the Mountain Dew and the Sprite. So I just kicked that out the voting. But y'all, I might bring that back. Like, do y'all want to see me drink a Mr. Pibb or Mellow Yellow? Y'all let me know. I've had... oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I've had a Mr. Pibb before, but I've never had a Mellow Yellow. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to drink a Mellow Yellow. I'm thinking in my head from what I have like asked people, like, have y'all ever had this before? And they was like, yeah. To them, they said it tastes like an off-brand Mountain Dew. I don't know. Y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all had a Mellow Yellow. And let your girl know what it tastes like to y'all. Do it taste like an off-brand Mountain Dew or not? Comment down below, please. Because y'all know your girl do not like Mountain Dew. But if Mellow Yellow tastes better than Mountain Dew, let me know because I want that. You good? Okay. Alright, y'all. That is it for this video. I do not like it. I would not be going into the store and just purchasing this soda because it's not good to me. I wanted more of the cherry flavor than the lime flavor, but I'm not getting that. I don't feel like they should have added lime to it. They already have a cherry Sprite, and it really don't even taste like, it's not that punching cherry. So I just need them just to come out with a Shirley Temple. Period. A Shirley Temple Sprite. Kick off all the rest of this. We just need a Shirley Temple Sprite, okay? All right, y'all. Until I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Bye.